Car visuals, poster design.
Don't let go. Every tear helps you grow. What you sow, you will know. In the dark, you glow.
Work hard all night. I don't wait for the stars to align. Cold world, but my soul still fights. I don't need luck, I work hard.
Work hard, no fear. Every fall made my vision clear. They see shine, never see the scars. I don't wish on dreams. I work hard.
Same streets but my mindset new. Same pain, just a better view. Lost some friends when the money grew, but I found myself, that's true. Mama's prayers on my tired chest. Every note just a pressure test. If I rest, I fall back again. So I grind like there's nothing left.
Don't stop when it hurts inside. That's the moment you change your life. Every step, every sacrifice turns the dark into diamond light.
Work hard, no sleep. Vision bigger than the life I lead. From the floor to the stars, so deep. I don't beg for hope, I work hard.
I work hard, stay real. Every scar taught me how to feel. This is pain, this is truth I tell. Build my world from a broken will.
If you fall, stand up. If you break, build up. If you cry, look up. Your time, work hard.
Work hard, still strong. Long nights turn to victory songs. When they ask how I came this far, I say pain taught me how to work hard.
No luck, just hard.
Canvas in my mind, every thought paint stain. Heartbeat sinking with the 808 wave. I don't chase trends, I bend the frame. Turn blank nights into a sign name. Pressure make diamond, I shine through pain. Every scar archived in the sound I make. They copy waves, I make the rain. If art's a drug, I'm injecting mainline. They see the glow, not the grind behind. I breathe creation, I don't clock time. This ain't a hobby, this is life design. I don't follow lines, I redefine. Out in my veins, I feel it flow. Every beat got a soul, yeah. Let it go from the dark to the stage. Let it flame, I won't make songs, I make my name. Out in my veins, no counterfeit. Every line real, every sound legit. They feel the wave, can't explain. It's not a phase. Out in my veins. perform. Every flaw, part of the form. I don't fit, I transform. Break the rules, set the norm. Art in my veins, I feel it flow. Every beat got a soul, yeah. Let it go from the dark to the stage. Let it flame. I don't make songs, I make my name. Art in our veins, no counterfeit. Every line real, every sound legit. They feel the wave, can't explain. It's not a phase. Art in my veins. If I fall in color. Paint the pain, make it louder. When the world goes cold and strange, I stay warmer. Art in my veins, art in my veins, still alive. Every note, proof I survived. From the roots to the chains I break, this is my blood. Art in my veins, yeah. Art in my veins, yeah. In my veins. Art in my yeah. Cinematic. I am a creator. I see worlds inside my head. Frames of gold and what they said was empty. Every breath a story fed by quiet nights that taught me gently. I don't rush, I let it breathe. Every song got space to feel. I create what I believe. If it's real, then it will. Slow motion when I move. Heart talks before I do. If the light is breaking through, it's the soul behind the view. Set a light up when I create. Every moment, heavy weight. Soft soul, but the vision great. I don't fake, I translate. Feel it, let it play. Vocal tears I couldn't say. Every sound I consecrate. I was born a creator. No spotlight, still I glow. I don't scream, I let it show. Every loss became a no. Every truth I couldn't quote. I make silence feel